Hello my dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places, doing your work on time and revising all the chapters. So kids, this is your English teacher Himani Joshi from Arden Progressive School. And as you all know that we have started the revision and we have completed worksheet number 1. And what we have learned? About the tenses, that there are 3 types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Under present, past and future we have learned about simple present, simple past and simple future, and we have performed an activity also. Okay, so today we are going to revise chapter the adverb with the help of this worksheet. This is worksheet number 2. This worksheet also you have to do in your notebook. Okay. So kids, the first question is, what is an adverb? So you all know, we have already learned that what is an adverb. So kids, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adverb or an adjective. So we can say that adverbs add something to the meaning of verb, an adverb or an adjective. Okay, so in short we can say that adverbs give us extra information about the verb, adverb or an adjective. Okay, so here we have this exercise. So the first and foremost thing is that you should read the caption. Okay, first understand the caption, what is written. Okay, then only you should start solving the questions. Okay, in maths also the need is to read the caption, otherwise you will do wrong. Okay, so here also you have to read the caption. Underline the adverbs. So here we have 8 questions and we have to read the questions very carefully. After that we have to underline the adverbs. Underline the adverbs. Alright. So kids, these adverbs are the examples of 3 kinds of adverbs. Okay, so there are 3 kinds of adverbs. We all know. We have learned about 3 kinds of adverbs and there are more adverbs. But what we have learned? We have learned about 3 kinds of adverbs. The first one is, please repeat after me, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. So please repeat after me, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. So what do you mean by adverb of manner? How the action has been done. How the action has been done. We call it adverb of manner. Means how. Okay. So what we can do to find out that which kind of adverb the particular word is, we can create a question. Okay. Including how. Okay. Where or when. Okay, so if the question answers how, it means that word is adverb of manner. If the word answers where, W-H-E-R-E, where the action has been done. If the word answers where the action has been done, it means that is adverb of place. Okay, and if the question answers when the action has been done, so it means that is adverb of time. Okay, so there are 3 types of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. So adverb of manner means how the action has been done, adverb of place means where the action has been done, and adverb of time means how the action has been done. So in order to find out the adverbs, we can form the questions, okay, and we will get the answer. All right. So the first question is, Priya sings sweetly all kinds of songs. And one more thing, the adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner often end in ly. So it is very easy to find out adverbs of manner, because we know that adverbs of manner end in ly. Okay. So here you can see that this word ends in ly. SWEETLY, sweetly, ly. Okay. So it means this is an adverb. So you have to underline, as mentioned in the caption, that you have to underline the adverb. Okay. So what did I say? That you can form the question. Priya sings sweetly all kinds of songs. So how does Priya sing? How does Priya sing? So how does Priya sing? Sweetly. How does Priya sing? Sweetly. How does Priya sing? Sweetly. So sweetly is adverb. And which kind of adverb? Adverb of manner, because it answers the question how. Okay. How does Priya sing? Sweetly. Alright. And you know that adverbs modify the verbs, adverbs and adjectives. So here the word sings. This is a verb. Okay, this is a verb. Action words are called verbs. So sings is a verb. Okay, and this word sweetly is giving extra information about this verb sings. Okay, so we know that adverbs modify the verbs. Okay, so here this word sweetly is an adverb, and this word sweetly is modifying the verb sings, which is a verb. Okay. So here sweetly is modifying the verb sings. Hence sweetly is an adverb, and it is, as it is giving us the answer of how the action has been done. So this is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Alright. Now the next question. The boy slept quickly. So we know that adverbs of manner end in ly. So it is pretty much clear that quickly is here an adverb. Okay. And the second thing is adverbs modify the verb. Okay. So here which one is the verb? Slept. Okay. Slept is an action word. Hence it is a verb. So here this word quickly is modifying the word slept. Okay. And slept is a verb. You can form a question also. The boy slept quickly. The boy slept quickly. So how can you make the question? So you have to use how, because we know that here ly is given. So we know that adverb of manner ends in ly. Okay. And how did the boy sleep? How did the boy sleep? The boy slept quickly. The boy slept quickly. How? Quickly. So here this is giving us the answer of how. Hence it is adverb of manner. As we know that adverb of manner tells us how the action has been done. So here how the action has been done? How the boy slept quickly. Alright. Now the next. The tortoise moved slowly. The tortoise moved slowly. So you can make the question, as you know that ly is here, so it is clear that slowly is an adverb. Which one is here verb? Moved. Moved is here verb, and this word slowly is modifying the verb moved. Okay. So this is an adverb. Okay. So which kind of adverb? We know ly is given, so it is adverb of manner, and we can confirm with one trick, that is we can make the question. So the tortoise moved slowly. Okay. So how did the tortoise move? How did the tortoise move? Slowly. It is giving us the answer of how. Okay. So we know that adverbs of manner only give us the answer of how. So this is also adverb of manner. So sweetly, quickly, slowly. These all are adverbs of manner, as These all are answering the question of how, and these all are ending in ly. Alright, now the next is please come here. So where do you want me to come? Where do you want me to come? So here. Where do you want me to come? Here. So it is giving us the answer of where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Okay. So where? Here. It is giving us the idea of place. Okay. Where the action has been done. So we know that adverb of place answers the question of where, means kahan. So please come here. Kahan आना है? Here. Where do you want me to come? Here. Here means we are specifying a place. Alright. So it is giving us the answer of where. W-H-E-R-E, where means place. Okay. He comes daily. Now the next question is he comes daily. So we can form a question. He comes daily. So when does he come? When does he come? When means kab? Daily. When does he come? Daily. When does he come? Daily. So this word is giving us the answer of when. W-H-E-N, when. When means kab. Okay, it is giving us the idea of time. Okay, means when the action has been done. Adverb of time means when the action has been done. So when? So he comes daily. So when does he come? When does he come? Daily. Daily is giving us the answer of when. Okay, and it is giving us the idea of time. So whenever we get to know that when the action has been done, it means the word is adverb of time. Okay. Now the next is he wants his pen now. He wants his pen now. So when does he want his pen? When does he want his pen? Now. When? Now. So this word now is giving us the answer of when. Means when the action has been done. It is giving us the idea of time. Hence, this word is adverb of time, because this word is giving us the answer of when. So, he wants his pen now. So, when does he want his pen? Now. Okay, so this is giving us the idea of time, when the action has been done. Ram is playing inside. So, here the word inside is an adverb. So, which kind of adverb? We know that when we get the answer of where, it means that word is adverb of place, because here we are getting the idea of place. So, where is he playing? Inside. Where is he playing? Inside. So, where the action has been done? Inside. Alright. So, it is giving us the answer of where, and whenever we get the answer of where, it means that word is adverb of place. Okay. Now the next is she speaks truly. She speaks truly. So how does she speak? How does she speak? Truly. So here truly is an adverb. So which kind of adverb? Please repeat the sentence. She speaks truly. Okay, and we have formed a question that how does she speak? How does she speak? So here this word truly is giving us the answer of how. Okay, so whenever we get the answer of how the action has been done, it means that particular word is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Now let us revise. Priya sings sweetly all kinds of songs. So how? Sweetly. The boy slept quickly. How? Quickly. Okay. The tortoise moved slowly. How? Slowly. So these three are adverbs of manner, because adverbs of manner give us the answer of how the action has been done. Okay, and you can easily see that quickly is modifying the word sings, and sings is a verb. Here quickly is modifying the verb slept. Okay, here slowly is modifying the verb moved. So we know that adverbs give extra information about the verbs. So here also these three words are giving us extra information about the verbs sings, slept and moved. Okay, please come here. So where? Here. In this sentence, here is modifying the verb come. Okay, so come is a verb. Here the word here is modifying the verb come. Okay, hence it is an adverb. Which kind of adverb? Adverb of place. Adverb of place. Next, he comes daily. So when? Daily. When? Daily. So here the word daily is modifying the verb comes, and we all know that adverbs modify the verbs. Alright. He wants his pen now. So when? Now. When? Now. This word now is giving us the answer of when. So it is adverb of time. Okay. This is adverb of time. Okay. So here the word now is modifying the word wants, and wants is a verb. Okay, Ram is playing inside. Where? Inside. This word is giving us the answer of where. Hence, it is adverb of place. Okay. She speaks truly. So, how? Truly. So, truly is adverb of manner, and this word truly is modifying the verb speaks. Okay. So, we all know that adverbs are the words which modify verbs, adverbs and adjectives. There are three types of adverbs given in your book. Okay, and those three types are adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. Adverb of manner answers the question of how the action has been done. Adverb of place answers the question of where the action has been done, and adverb of time answers the question of when the action has been done. So there are three kinds of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. Okay, and we all know that adverbs modify the verbs, adverbs and adjectives. I hope now the concept is clear to all of you. Please do this worksheet in your notebook very carefully. Okay, and please be attentive and revise all the chapters one by one. Thank you for listening to me patiently. We will meet in our next video, and there we will be doing the next worksheet of the next chapter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.